Hi. Before we start, just a reminder. EGG is short for electroglottograph. We will call it EGG from now on. Now that you've connected your EGG to your computer, I'm going to show you how to position the electrodes and the microphone. VoceVista Video Pro requires a microphone with a relatively flat frequency response, such as the one shipped with your EGG. Many other microphones are more sensitive at certain frequencies than others, which will distort your results. Clip the microphone to a stable surface so that it maintains a constant distance from your mouth while you are making recordings. This is important because you have to align the microphone and EGG signals in VoceVista Video Pro. The microphone picks up the signal later than the EGG because of the time it takes for the sound to get from your larynx to the microphone. Once you have clipped the microphone in a relatively stable position, it's time to position the electrodes. First, place your finger on your chin and draw a line down the center of your neck. You may feel a slight protrusion. This is the thyroid notch, also called the Adam's apple. Place the electrodes on either side of this protrusion. If you're having trouble, it can be helpful sometimes to tilt your head down to find it. Take the elastic strap that came in the bag with the electrodes and press it firmly against the sides of that notch. Connect the straps in the back so that the electrodes have firm contact with your skin. It may take a few minutes to get used to singing with something pressing on your larynx. You won't feel the small electrical current that runs between the electrodes. If the strap is too uncomfortable, the electrodes can be held in place with your hand until you can get used to the feeling. In order to get a good signal from the electrodes, it's important to make sure that the skin on your neck is free and clean of any lotions or any other substance that might interfere with the signal. It's really a good idea to wipe your neck off with alcohol before using the EGG, just to be sure. Some people find it helpful to use conducting gel to get a stronger and more consistent signal. Place a small amount of the electrode gel on the electrodes right before you place it around your neck, and then press it firmly. Amazon and Walmart both sell this gel. There should be a link down below for you to purchase the gel if you'd like. Be sure to wipe down the electrodes with alcohol after using to remove the gel residue. Now that you've set it up, please reference the links below for the next steps in turning on EGG in VoceVista Video Pro. Thank you.